Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I have another video for you. I say that in all my videos, but got another one. So today we're going to have a 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB. All the info is going to pop up right along the screen over here. We're going to show you some features on the outside, features on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. Let's get started. Power tongue jack with two 20-pound propane tanks. Spot for the battery goes right down here, and we do put in the battery and fill the propane upon delivery. We got our rock guard sitting right here. So LED lights that go along the sides and then up through here as well. We're going to do a side profile. Let's see what we're working with. Moving on down. Gracious amount of pass-through storage right here. Then we're going to have our battery disconnect, solar, outdoor shower attachment, and then we'll also have our GFCA outlets, and then how to winterize. Tire link over on the side here. We got some lights. Moving on down. Enclosed underbelly down here. Dual axle. We'll get a look at the slide. Lots of windows on this one too. A lot of natural light coming through. Got our gray and black tanks down here. There's our gray sitting right here. Manual jacks. Got a valve for our tank flush here. Taking a look at the back. Spot for a backup camera. We got a ladder to get up on the roof. 50 amp service. Hitch from the factory, capacity of 300 pounds. So the GoPro can pick that up. Hot water heater. And then coming around before we get into the inside, we'll do another step back. It's a little bit windier out today, so I don't have the awning out, but you do have a power awning with that LED strip as well. And then down to the side over here, we do have our furnace. Our little spot for cable. More outlets there. And then the other side of the pass-through storage. Let's move on to the inside. There's our fire extinguisher there. Nice to come in. So you have your command center right here for everything. We got some hooks for coats or miscellaneous things. Some light switches. And then inside we got our owner's manual, how to operate and run this camper. We got the nice LED strips that go, or that line the roof of the Grand Design camper here. Nice barn door size door for the bathroom here. Large bathroom. I'm starting in the bathroom first just because it was the closest, but lots of counter space. Lots of space for, you know, toothpaste, bathroom items. Lots of room to work with in here. And just a really large sink, or counter space by the sink. Porcelain toilet foot flush. A couple other cubbies over here for washcloths or folded up towels. And then doing that shower stand test, I got plenty of room to work with. So if you're taller like me, you're not going to have any issues. And then right down below you have a spot for some shoes. And then since my back's to the bathroom here, we'll actually get a look at the floor plan itself. And moving on over, so you'll have your TV right here. Above me is the AC. Deeper storage compartment for remotes, DVDs, games. Opening this up. Same thing. And we'll have our fuse box here. Recliners, and like I said, look at the amount of windows in here for that natural light coming in. So we do have our lights, heated and vibrating Thomas Paine Collection recliner. A couple of touch lights up above. Let's take a look at those buttons. And then right over to the side of that, you do have device charging outlets. Large U-shaped dinette, so I have it converted down into the bed setup right now. I didn't put the cushions over it because I always hover over, in most of my videos here, the Imagine Guarantee here and the warranties. So I'm going to hover over some of this here. Feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more knowledge and information. Perfect. Coming around to the kitchen, you got your extension for your countertop, large sink, some more outlets, wireless charger with additional charging ports right here, another GFCI outlet over there, max air vent up above, and then here are the other stats that always pop up at the beginning of the video, but in case you missed them, feel free to pause and get a little bit more. Convection microwave. And then there's that Grand Design guarantee that they do from the factory. Perfect. Moving on, looking down at the oven. So we do have our 3-burner cooktop there. I'm not sure if I got these, but hey, we'll show them again. And this is one large drawer here. And then this has the peg system, so you can place these pegs, place your items, so nothing's bouncing, rolling around, and running the risk of breaking. I think this is a really cool idea. You have a lot of versatility with this. Here's our fridge. Oops. If I can find the handle, there we go. The freezer. All right. So that was the kitchen, dinette, living room, bathroom. You do have one slide. Moving over to the bedroom. There's our thermostat right there. So I have the bed up right now. Lots of storage under the bed. This is typical in most RVs, but I always like to cover it. So we'll pop that down. So you have your queen 60 by 80 bed. Exit window here, and then just another window for some light. And then TV backer location with the appropriate hookups up above. There's that nice LED light strip coming through. We got another fresh air vent up above. Another outlet down below. Plenty of room for clothes. Some reading lights in the back. And then in the little cubby right here, you got more device charging outlets or places to put your phone at night or your iPad. Same thing on the other side. Coming on over to that other side. Another outlet right here. And you guessed it, more storage. Plenty of room for clothes. Functioning bedroom will definitely get the job done. Same thing with that barn door. Really nice feature to have. I mean, it's small little things like that that just make things a lot nicer. Nice aesthetic to it. So now that my back is to the bedroom here, we'll take another look at the floor plan. Perfect. That's going to do it for this video on this new Grand Design. Again, my name's Nate from Bullion RV. All my information is going to be in the description box below. Sorry for stuttering. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to call me, email me, text me. If you want to set up an appointment with me, I'm happy to help any way that I can. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.